Come on, you were hopping around before I started the video. Hop around. Come on. Oh. I'm like on top of me in this, like, really... She seems really big, but she's not. Come on, chase your tail like you were. What are you looking at, silly? What? Tap my phone. Come on, just chase your tail again. That was hilarious. Oh. Okay, say goodbye to the camera, Katniss. Say goodbye. She's my new kitten. We found her in a tree. She couldn't get down, so we kept her. She looks really big, but she's so small. What'd you do that for? Oh, there she goes. Alright, bye guys.